Welcome. In this video I will show you how to check the warranty status of your Dell Latitude 7410 laptop. In order to check your warranty, you're gonna need to check your device's service code, which is located on the back cover of your device. Just check the back cover of it and you will find the service tag right here after the ST abbreviation. So remember it, or rather take a photo of it, and after that we're gonna need to open the official Dell Support website. So prepare your laptop, let's unlock it and let's go to the web browser. Let's open the search engine and search for Dell Support page. Find the official dell.com/support website, open it. I'm gonna translate this page for you. So right here you're gonna have to enter your service tag, the one that we just discovered on the back side of the laptop. Let me quickly enter this number. I have it saved somewhere. Okay, so for me it will be 3DZ9M53. Press enter, and on this page you will find your warranty status and support services that apply to your product. In my case it's ProSupport Plus that ended on July 31, 2023. You can check even more data if you click click your support services name. So here you can find the specific data related to your device's warranty, and here you can find the start date of your warranty and the end date of your warranty, and that's basically how you check it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.